I am an addict in recovery, and about 6 years ago, I quit, and the drugs themselves did a huge number on my teeth. I was ashamed and embarrassed of the way my teeth looked. I was constantly smiling awkward or trying not to show my full smile because my teeth were just so decayed and bad. So I felt that I needed to start looking for a proper dentist that wouldn't make me embarrassed or ashamed of what kind of person that I was and what kind of person I'm trying to be. And I found that as soon as I got here to Gordon Dental, and it just started our journey together. These dental implants have changed every aspect of my life. I can't stop smiling, and my kids see me confident and happy. I feel like I can, go out and do videos like this, and I don't have to be ashamed of what I have done in my life or what I look like, because I know that they put all this time and effort and material into making my smile look beautiful. I can close that chapter of my life. I can take this new smile of mine and be proud of how far I've come, and I feel like everybody deserves a second chance. And I think that just getting my teeth fixed got me to a place that I can be normal again.